Alright you guys, here we are doing a tutorial for the MRAP. This is a 1/16 scale MRAP. As you can see, we have the G.I. Joe here, the rock or roadblock. This is one of the biggest, tallest I should say, G.I. Joe figures. It works pretty well with the 1/16 scale MRAP. Now the MRAP is 1/16 scale. G.I. Joes are supposed to be 1/18 scale, but now that they've been somewhat developing the figure, I believe they're more in the 1/16 scale. So this MRAP actually works out great. This is like I said, a static MRAP. The cost of it is $160, $150 on eBay. I got mine a while back ago. It was one of my pet projects. I got it and it took me about 4 months to convert it. It's converted into a full RC, four-wheel drive, suspension. I'll show you here in a minute. This is one of many tutorials as far as the build is concerned, to show you guys what I did and how you guys can build your own. It works amazingly well with the G.I. Joes, the modern G.I. Joes, not the old school G.I. Joes. Of course, like I said, you know, they're fairly, as far as size is concerned. And the MRAP itself is a big vehicle. I had a chance to drive one of these. I got licensed for it, and I ran around in country with one of these. They're a big beast. That's why the proportionality that you see here is about the same proportionality. Look up some videos and you'll see. This is, of course, not other people have actually done the conversion from static 1/16 scale MRAP to an RC. There are some pretty good ones out there. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things that I came across as far as difficulties are concerned. Maybe it'll save you some headaches, and it'll make it easier for you guys to build your own. Alright, this is the first one, like I said, of a few, and I'll try to cover as much as I can. That way you guys can have an easier time. Oh, also, by the way, in any of these tutorials, if you come across any questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll try to answer them as best as I can.